Hi friends, in continuation with the trigonometry trick series, in this video we shall discuss another very easy and simple trick of trigonometry. By the end of this trick, you shall be able to remember the entire trigonometry ratio table by heart in just a few minutes. So let's start. So to memorize the values of sine theta, cos theta and tan theta for various angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, we have a very easy trick. First, make an empty table like this. So here I have written all the trigonometric functions and here I have taken all the angles. Now for values of sine, just write the numbers 0 to 4 in order. So here I am writing the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the various boxes for angles of sine theta. Now just divide them by 4. So I am dividing each one of them by 4. Now what values do we obtain? 0 upon 4 is nothing but 0. 1 upon 4 is also 1 upon 4. 2 upon 4 can be reduced to 1 upon 2. 3 upon 4 remains same and 4 upon 4 can be reduced to 1. Now take the square root of all these obtained values. So here I have taken the square root of all these values. Root 0 is 0. Root 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. Root 1 upon 2 is 1 upon root 2. Root 3 upon 4 is root 3 upon 2. And root 1 is 1. So the values which we have obtained 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1 are nothing but the values of sine theta. So sine 0 is 0, sine 30 degree is 1 upon 2, sine 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, sine 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 and sine 90 degree is 1. Now for the values of cos theta, just write the values of sine theta in reverse order. So sine 90 will become cos 0. So sine 90 is 1 and cos 0 is also 1. Similarly, sine 60 is root 3 upon 2 and cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 also. So we basically write them in reverse order. So for 45 we will write 1 upon root 2. For sine 30 will be equal to cos 60, which will be 1 upon 2, and sine 0 will be equal to cos 90 will be 0. So here we have the values of cos theta 1, root 3 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, 1 upon 2 and 0, and which are nothing but the reverse order of sine theta values. So if we learn the values of sine theta, then automatically we will be able to learn the values of cos theta also. Now for the values of tan theta, we know that tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. So for finding the values of tan theta, we have to do sine theta divided by cos theta. So for tan 0, we will take sine 0, which is 0, divided by cos 0, which is 1. So we get the value of tan theta as 0 upon 1, which is 0. Similarly, for tan 30, we will divide this number by this number and we will get 1 by root 3. Similarly, for tan 45, we will divide 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. We will get 1. Similarly, for values of tan 60, we will get root 3. And for tan 90, we will divide 1 by 0. Now you know that any number divided by 0 is not defined. So the value of tan 90 is not defined or infinity. Now we are left with the other three trigonometric functions, which are cosec theta, cot theta and sec theta. So for the values of cosecant theta, we just have to do the reciprocal of sine theta. So cosecant theta is equal to 1 upon sine theta. So here sine 0 is 0. So cosecant theta will be the reciprocal of 0, which is 1 by 0. And anything divided by 0 is not defined. So the value of cosecant 0 is not defined. Now we have cosecant 30. It will be the reciprocal of 1 upon 2. So it will be 2. Similarly, cosecant 45 will be root 2. Cosecant 60 will be 2 by root 3. And cosecant 90 will be 1. So we just take the reciprocal of the values of sine. Now for secant theta, it is a reciprocal of cos theta. So secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So we just have to do the reciprocal of cos theta. So cos 0 is 1. So secant 0 will be 1 upon 1, which is 1. Similarly, taking the reciprocals, we will get secant 30 to be 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and secant 90 to be 1 upon 0, which is again not defined. And for cot theta, we take the reciprocal of tan theta. So cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So cot 0 will be 0 by 0, which is not defined. Cot 30 degree will be root 3. Cot 45 will be 1. Cot 60 will be 1 by root 3. And cot 90 will be 0. So in this way, we are taking the reciprocal of values of tan theta to get the values of cot theta. So basically, if you remember the values of sine, cos and tan, then automatically you will be able to remember the values of cosecant, secant and cot theta. So I hope that with the help of this trick, you shall be able to easily remember the trigonometric ratio table. If you want more videos like this, then like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.